Hello children, I'm back with our EOY assessment part 2 question paper. Yes, all of you take your part 2 question, EOY assessment part 2 question. I give you 3 seconds. Yes, if you are ready, now take your pencil. In this space, you have to write your name with initial. Next, date 15 3 2021. Have you all complete writing? Yes, in this given space, you have to write your class along with the section. If you are first standard, you just write the class first standard and which section you are, A, B, C or D. If you are second standard, write second standard and then along with the class you have to write your section. Okay children, if you are complete writing this, if you are ready, let us start writing the questions. Look at the first. Here one story is given, right? Read the story carefully and answer the questions that follow. You will start reading the story as your own. Try to read the story as your own, ma. Now I show you how to read the story. Author Bhavna Menon. Illustrator Kavita Singh Kale. First page. Tulsi loved hearing stories about the forest. She used to hear tales about tigers and elephants from her teacher. She really wanted to visit the forest. Second page. One day, her wish came true. Tulsi's uncle, a senior forest official at Kanha Tiger Reserve, asked if she and her friends wanted to take a trip to the forest. She could not tell him how happy she was. All her friends said yes. It took them 4 hours by bus. As soon as they reached, her uncle greeted them with a big smile. The air felt clean. It smelled like leaves and trees. It is like it was washed with soap, said her friend. All they could hear was birds chirping. Turn next page. Take page number 2. I give you 3 seconds. Look at the 4th page. Start reading the 4th page. It was already quite late in the evening. Her uncle told Tulsi that they would go inside the reserve tomorrow. That night, he played animal sounds and asked them to identify which animal it was. The children had great fun guessing. The next morning, Tulsi woke up early, shivering because of the cold. But when the forest ranger took them to see the animals, none of the kids worried about the cold. They were excited to hear the animal calls. They had practiced the night before. See the 6th page. They saw jackals and deer and heard peacocks go "Pyon, pyon." Then they saw a tiger hiding in the distance and a meek elephant walking about looking for greens to eat. The ranger pointed out each animal to them as the bus moved forward. The children were sad to leave the animals behind, but their hearts were content. When Tulsi and her friends left the reserve and got on the bus to return home, her love for the forest had only increased. Like this, you have to write the story, read the story as your own. Just independently read the story. Yes. After the story, we just answer the questions given. For these questions, you can refer this story. For answer the question, you can refer the story. Refer this story to answer the questions. Take page number 3. Yes, look at the 5th question. What is the story mostly about? Tick the correct answer. From these 2 options, you have to find what is the story mostly about. We just read the story now. You just refer the story and try to answer the questions given. Yes, let us move to the B subpart question. Mention 2 details that support your answer. From the story, you can refer the details, detail 1 and detail 2 that support your above answer. I give you 3 seconds. Next, let us move to the 6th question. All they could hear was birds chirping. What do you think is the meaning of the underlined word? Tick the correct answer. You just think of what is the meaning of the underlined word and then tick the correct answer from these 3 options given. I give you 3 seconds. Okay, ma. Let us see the 7th question. Which word from the story means shaking because of the cold? Tick the correct answer. You just find the meaning of the shaking because of the cold. From these 3 options given and tick the correct option. What is meant by shaking because of the cold? Next, see the 8th question. What was the name of the reserve? What was the name of the reserve? With your own answer, you have to complete this 8th question. You will pause the video and then try to write the answers in your question paper. In your assessment paper, write neatly. Handwriting must be neat and legible. Next, we have to turn the next page, page number 4. See the 9th question. What did the children do at night? What did the children do at night? Next, 10th question. How did the children feel when they reached the forest? How did the children feel when they reached the forest? You just refer the story, read again the story and then try to write the answer. I give you 3 seconds. Next, 11th question. What will you do when you visit a forest? What will you do when you visit a forest? You will complete this question with your own answer. See the next 12th question. What is the setting of the story? Which lines tell you this? What is the setting of the story? Which lines tell you this? Have you all finished writing? Shall we move to the 13th question? Tick the correct description of the picture. See, one picture is given. You just tick the correct description about the picture from these 2 options given. Tick the correct description of the picture. See the picture. Have you complete 13th question? Shall we move to the 14th one? Yes, look at the 14th question. Fill in the blanks with a, and, or, the. Choose the correct vowels from these articles. Choose the correct articles a, and, or, the. Then have to complete these 2 support questions. Have you all finished writing? Take next page, page number 5. See the 15th question. Make a sentence using the subject and the verb. Here, subject and verbs are given. You just make a sentence. You will make a sentence with the help of subject and verb. Then have to write the sentence in this blank. Yes, if you all finished writing, if you didn't complete means after the video you have to complete the answers for the questions in your assessment paper. Next, 16th question. Rewrite the sentence using capital letters and full stops. Here one sentence is given. You just rewrite the sentence with appropriate capital letters and full stops. Shall we move to the next one? Yes, look at the 17th question. Change the singular noun to its plural form. Here one singular noun is given. You have to rewrite the singular noun to its plural form in this given blank. If you all complete writing, shall we move to the 18th one? Fill in the blank with the correct collective noun. Here, two collective nouns are given in this box. Below this box, there are two sentences given. You will complete this sentence with the correct collective noun from the boxes given. Read the sentence. A dash of players were running near the field. A dash of players were running near the field. Which collective noun is suitable for this sentence? You just choose the correct collective noun and then to write in this blank. Next, write the matching female noun. 19th question, write the matching female noun. Here, one word is given. You have to write the matching female noun for this male noun. Just complete this blank with the correct female noun for this noun given. Next, look at the 20th question. Choose an adjective from the boxes to complete the sentence. Here one sentence is given. Above the sentence, two adjectives are given in these boxes. You have to read the sentence and then find the correct adjective from these two boxes given and have to complete this sentence with the correct adjective. The apples were ate yesterday were so... Yes, complete this blank with the correct adjective from these two adjectives given. Yes, look at the next question, 21. Choose an adverb from the boxes to complete the sentence. Here, two adverbs are given in the boxes. Below this, one sentence is given. You have to complete this blank with the correct adverb. Rohit walked dash to catch the bus. Choose the correct adjective and have to complete in this blank. If you all finished means, yes, the question is over ma. Part 2 question is over. If you didn't finish writing means after the video, you will complete writing the answers for your assessment part 2 questions. Okay children. All of you take care ma. See you in next class. Thank you. Bye.